She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing these lemonade twist braid style. The hair that I'm using is from Outre. This is their springy afro twist hair. It's 16 inches and I did use 3 packs. I'm also adding some boho curls. The hair is from Y Wigs and this is their spiral curl hair. It's 20 inches. I'll only use a little bit of that hair though. This video is not sponsored at all. I didn't use a lot of the curls, but you feel free to use as much curls as you want for your style. I did start out with sectioning her hair from ear to ear, just splitting off the part that I will be doing the braid design from the part that I'll be doing the twist in the back. So in the back, I'm starting this first row with doing 4 twists and then just bricklayering all the way up, and I did do a total of 7 rows. Some people start out their twist with doing the invisible lock method with the twists in the back. I just opted to do the knotless braid method. So I'm just feeding in each strand of the afro twist hair as just regular knotless braids, and then I am then going to turn that into twist and begin to twist it down. And then I will add in my human hair curls, and I did not add curls to every twist. I think I only added the curls to every other twist, and when I did add the curls, I only added 1 piece of the human hair curls to each twist that I did. So these were not full at all. I do have a video on how to add in the curly hair pieces, so if you're interested in that, it's more in depth and slowed down, so I'll try to link that up above or down below for those who are interested, just so this video is not too long. But then I just continue to twist it all the way to the end. And I forgot to mention earlier, but for this afro twist hair, I did not cut the hair at all, so I left it in its original regular length. So this is the back section, and then I also did an additional 3 rows on one side of the front of her head. And then now we're going into the stitch braids or the feed-in braids or the design part of the lemonade braid. And actually they're not feed-in braids, so correction on my part, because I did not add any hair while I was doing the stitch braid or the design part of this part. So I was just strictly braiding with her natural hair until I got to the ends to where it was where I was doing the twist. That's when I just went back to doing it as normal with adding in the afro twist hair and then twisting it like I did in the back. So just when I'm doing the braids in the front on her scalp, I just braided with her natural hair. And then when I got to off of her scalp is when I started, like you seen me earlier, adding in the afro twist hair and then transitioning that into a twist and twisting that all the way down, or adding in the human hair curls and then twisting that all the way down. And then also once I was completely done with these, I did not dip them in hot water, but I did wrap the ends of them to do a bob length. And then you would just add in your regular products like oiling the scalp, mousse, hair sheen, all of that stuff. And that was pretty much, oh, and then I trimmed the human hair curls just so that way they were kind of matching the bob length of the twist. And that was it. So I'll let you guys watch. If you have any questions, leave it down below. I'll talk to you guys in my next video, and I hope you guys be blessed, stay protected, stay filled with love and peace.